So you don't want to get in serious trouble, huh? Okay, leave it with me.
Found you to an arm wrestle. Victor, I don't even fucking know. Dude, you're gonna die from this arm wrestle, you know that. This is gonna hurt. Just a gang attack? In your phone. Mine isn't either, but I mean, let's just do this. Stronger. This is how you know who's stronger in real life. Come on, man. All them days of working out onto this. That's the only way you won when I press pause, you dickhead. You match that shit. You fucking press. I press fucking pause. No, I press B. No, press B. Nah. 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 Give me a minute. Nah, just give me a minute. Don't press anything, man. No, what? Shit. Nah, we're not doing that again. Nah, we're not doing that again. Oh no, it felt so amazing. Fucking red ass hand. People are gonna be thinking what I've done to my hand. Like, have you took a like real hard wank or something? No. Let's just go. Actually, I got 24 RP for that. What the fuck was the point? On. You walked into it. Yes. Louis, stay still, stay still, Louis, stay still. Oh. Oh, you dickhead, I was trying to survive that. Oh wow, it's glitched out. Because I've got a bounty on me. Got another one on me now. Yeah, I've got another one on me. Could have said get out the fucking car, you know. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Get out of the car, I'm gonna show you something. I was trying to show you something. Right, get out of the car, like, but right in front of me. No, get out of the car, like, right in front of me. I was trying to show you something before you killed me. Come in front of me. I wanted to show you something before you fucking killed me. Oh, your car and like walk right in front of me. Really cool, watch. Oh, no, it's like passive most wise, but you need to move your car out of the way. You're gonna be like a gun turret on my car, watch. Walk in front. Oh. Alright, no, like right in front, like directly. Alright, yeah. Now stay there. Right, now get passive mode ready. Now press it when I say, you ready? Only when I say, okay? Don't, not yet. Yeah, not yet. Watch, you'll see. Stay there. Right, now get passive mode ready again. No, get passive mode ready again. Dickhead! Fine. Fine. I heard there's a bar, darts, so I'm like gonna go to darts and see what's there. You heard? Yeah, there's a bar there or something. When you get here, could you destroy my car for me? Like leaning against the wall, just you know, just destroy it. Well, I put the sticky bomb on it. Here, it, you shoot a sticky bomb. You
Whatever.
Oh, yeah. Have a beer, please.
How's everything? I am just like
Ain't nobody giving me a beer.
Same crap.
No. Oh no, I didn't mean. Punch the guy in the face. Shut up. Sorry. Fuck off, you Mexican immigrant. Fucking Mexican immigrant. Fucking Mexican. Where's the other one? You twat. You fucking dick. Stay still. It's like a suicide bomb. I promise you, I won't blow it up until I say. I'm a bitch now. Sup? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna say? I'm gonna say shit. Now I want you to run in. Run to a cop car right now. Run to a cop car. No, run into a cop car. Say Allahu Akbar when you do it. You killed the immigrants. Hey, alright, don't shoot me or anything. I'm getting less. Fuck. I don't want cops. I want to have like 2 minute peace.
How can I help?
What?
Oh, hey, you're in trouble. Okay. I'll deal
Oh,
with it.
just call cops off me, man. Call my mechanic to get a better car. That's not your car, is it?
What you need, boss? Some wheels?
Okay, for me to blow it up, you got a fucking minigun right here. I can get the cops.
I'll get there as soon as I can. Aight, I'll get back to work.
Keep an eye out. I need cover. Inbred dickwad.
Do yourself, I don't want cops on me.
Enough of you.
Oh, kill yourself.
Oh, shit. We cannot lose this Perry Burger.
Fine, I'll kill you.
Keep that asshole
Thank you so
entertained.
much. Ah, fuck.
Asshole.
No, you dickhead. The cops gonna impound my car. No, they didn't. Didn't even touch it. Dude, tell me if you like my car. I'm off the mod shop to upgrade this. I think it'll look sexy. You just like drive around, like buy shit, like shopping. Random Stan King over there. Random guy here, just saying. Jesus Christ! Fucking legal immigrant got ran over. I ran over a legal immigrant. Shit. Yeah, I ran him over like super fast. Like I ran over a legal immigrant. Shit! You won't believe it. You won't believe it. A cop just ran in front of my car. Great.
Here
A
for the
cop
magic
just
touch.
ran into my car. Ran in. Don't just run into a fucking car, you know. Old, but I don't know. I get pure gold or brushed gold. I get pure gold or brushed gold. Rich, so I mean, like I gotta have color. I don't mind. Never mind. I may be rich, but I'm a cheapskate, so I mean. Oh, nice.